to read the product knowledge of this mock call. Do not skip to the mock call without reading the product knowledge. I promise you, 50% of your success in passing your mock call test depends on your ability to comprehend the product knowledge before the mock call. So please do yourself a favor and take a minute or two to read and understand this mock call's product knowledge. Okay? So here it goes.
Hi, thank you for calling Hotel California. This is Divi. How may I help you?
Hi Devi, this is Steven. I'd like to book for 4 people, please, and that will be for August 18, 2026.
Sure, Stephen. I'll be happy to help you with that. So, which room do you have in mind?
Actually, I gotta tell you first that I am super busy, so I haven't been able to browse through your website, and I don't really know the rooms you have right now. But I could give you my requirements, and then you suggest the best rooms for me. Could we do that?
Absolutely. What do you need?
There are 4 of us, including me, and we need something with Wi-Fi and maybe a swimming pool.
Got it. Will you for be staying in one room or separated room?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. That will be separate because you see, we're 2 couples, so we need 2 rooms.
I see. So in that case, I recommended two deluxe kings. Each room has a king size bed which fits 2 people, Wi-Fi, access to a swimming pool, and free lunch and breakfast. All of this for $200 each, and that's going to be $400 for 2 rooms. How does it sound?
Oh, that is a bit too much. That's a bit expensive, actually. Do you maybe have something more affordable than that? It's just now that I think about it. I remember there's a beach close to your hotel, so we will probably just take a trip there and you can take out the swimming pool. Is that possible?
Sure. Let me see your option here. So, if you want to take out the swimming pool and just have the Wi-Fi, then we'll certainly have a room for that. And that is the Classic King for $125 each, which is $250 for 2 rooms, as opposed to $400, and you will still going to get the king size bed and Wi-Fi. But I have to tell you, Steven, aside from having no swimming pool, you will also only get a free breakfast instead of lunch and breakfast. Is that okay with you?
Perfect. Perfect, Devi. That's exactly what we need. We'll be having lunch at the beach anyways, so we won't be eating at the hotel. So, 2 Classic Kings it is. Do you need my credit card number or what do you need?
For security purposes, we don't really take credit card info over the phone. But what I need from you instead is your email address, where I can send you a link where you can securely pay and enter your card information.
Okay, cool. You can send it to this email, Steven_182 at gmail.com.
Okay. Thank you. So just make sure, let me just fill that out for you. That is S for Sarah, T for Tango, A for Echo, P for Peter, H for Hotel, E for Echo, M for Nancy, _182 at gmail.com.
Yep, that's correct.
Okay, perfect. So just to recap, you will be booking 2 Classic Kings for this August 18, 2026. And the total amount is $250 for 2 rooms. Are all of this correct?
Yep, all correct. Thank you.
Thank you, Steven. So after this call, you should receive an email from booking at calihotel.com. And that email is a secure link where you can click and enter your phone name and card info. I also want to remind you not to click any email that is not from booking at calihotel.com, because we only take payments through this one email, alright?
Gotcha.
So is there anything else that I can help you with today?
Nope, you've been very helpful, Debbie. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome, Steven. Thank you for calling Hotel California. You have a great day.
Have a great day too, Debbie. Bye.
Bye.